We're taking a walk through one of the neighborhoods in Santa Fe. We've been working at Iconic coffee roasters all day, and it's probably one of like the top 5 best coffee shops we've ever been to. It's pretty chilly, got the fuzzy vibes going on today.
We are at Bandalier National Monument right now. It's basically an area with old cliff dwellings from ancestral Pueblo times.
We're excited. We're pretty much the only people in the park, so we hope we make it out before dark. If this vlog premieres, we did. I didn't bring sneakers on this trail. I wore slippers, and Parker's all decked out in his hiking boots. But the trail was pretty tame.
It's interesting, one side's paved and the other's not.
Yeah, the other side was paved, as you can see in the previous footage. Santa Fe Brewing Company. It is our last night in Santa Fe. We're so sad to leave. This is the largest brewery in the state. It's really pretty. We have a really nice view of the mountains, and they have a lot of Adirondack chairs and a food truck. Parker's about to get some tacos, so we will report back what we think. He got the 7K IPA, and then I purchased the...
I sent for 7,000.
It's named after the 7,000 feet in elevation that we are on in Santa Fe, and this is the Happy Camper IPA. I like Parker's better. It's more fruity. Is that the right way to describe it?
It's very good. Tastes like a quesadilla, but better.
I just tried Parker's taco, the burrito taco. Not to be dramatic, but that's the best taco I've had on this entire trip. Last day in Santa Fe, and we're gonna do a couple quick stops before we head to the Grand Canyon. Made it to Buffalo Park. It's so pretty here. It feels like Colorado a little bit. So we're gonna catch some sunset views and then go get dinner. How's it feel to be out of the car, Parker?
Feels nice.
Liking the views?
Yes.
Anything to add?
No. Switched the hat, got my drone. We're at Buffalo Park, even though only bison are in America, buffalo live in Africa. It's mating season for the tarantulas. They're very misunderstood. They're not very dangerous to humans. They just have a weak amount of venom, but probably won't kill you, from what I've heard. They've just been exploited and used as scapegoats.
Canyon. We're hiking the Kaibab Trail right now. You can see pretty good views. It's really hard to capture the depth of the canyon, but Parker's taking some good photos. We're gonna probably have the best footage at sunset tonight, but it's a really steep trail. There's a lot of donkey dew on the trail as well. Saw some wild elk, which was pretty cool. They look like llamas a little bit. We are at the Grand Canyon for sunset. Just us and another couple right there are the only people at this really nice lookout. That's a wrap on our time in New Mexico and Arizona. We are now based out of Los Angeles, California. Stay tuned for some sunny beach content. In next week's video, we will begin to explore Los Angeles. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We will see you next week.